So good afternoon. Today we're going to be cooking with tomato paste, and I did some mixed organic vegetables and organic chickpeas in tomato paste the other day, and there's the result. So today we're making some sea scallops. I bought these frozen this morning and they're not quite thawed, but I'm going to be brining them in some water and salt, and then ginger and fresh garlic as well. The best way to open this is to use the can opener on the top and the bottom, and then to push the tomato paste out. It still gets all over the place on your fingers, on your cooking spoon, but it results in a nice rich dish. So again, just cooking the tomato paste in olive oil for about 15 minutes, and then browning the scallops in some water with a few shakes of a salt shaker. Some recipes call for 2 or 3 tablespoons of salt, but I don't use that much. I have a handheld video today because somebody broke my tripod, and I have a new one on order. I'm deglazing the pan with some red wine and some chicken broth. So I removed the scallops from the brine, and I patted them dry with a paper towel. And I'm going to be adding the pan for a while, then turn them over. These are U-10, so that's about 10 scallops per pound. It's a nice sized scallop. I added some seasoned pepper from Penzey spices. This is a salt-free pepper blend. This one has citrus in it, and there's another one that's just a blend of peppers. Again, no salt. I turned them after about 5 or 6 minutes and added more of that salt-free pepper with citrus, and I'm probably going to add a juice of a lemon. It's cooking on the other side about maybe another 5 or 6 minutes. Okay, so it looks like we're finished here. I would say a total cooking time of 10 to 12 minutes. Look at the beautiful scallop. You cut it with a fork. Very delicious. Lemon juice was a good idea at the end. Enjoy. Add some green onions and parsley. Use it as a garnish here. That rich tomato sauce.